How you guys doing? What's up? Welcome back to Mini Drum Mondays. It's another new day. I'm super excited about today because we are going to actually start on the cymbals. Unfortunately, because of COVID-19 and all this stuff, I'm actually kind of at a standstill. I was going to use my local library to print some 3D printed drum rims, but until they open back up, I really don't have an option to make those drum rims out of anything else. So I figured I could at least start on the cymbals, which will be a fun project anyways. I've been really looking forward to this, so let's get started. I'm gonna pull you right down to the workspace here. Okay, so here's the thing. I found this cymbal for really cheap. I found it came with a big set of these things. They don't really sound that great by themselves. I mean, the truth is that it's a really thin stamped cymbal. And now what I want to do with this is I want to go ahead and measure out the sizes for the cymbals that I need. So I figured I'm going to measure these out and we're going to take it right back into the garage where I'm going to cut them out. All right? Cue the montage. Now that I have those all drawn out, let's go ahead and go to the garage and cut them out. Ready for the hole cutting? Let's cut out the holes. Check this out. Never hurt to put on too much fire protection. Wow, that is loud. It's kind of scary. Little pieces are flying all over the place. Okay, well, let's try and see if we can get the bell up in the middle of the cymbal. First, we're gonna have to measure where the center is and get that exactly right. Let's try that first. Tell me how to do that in the comments. That would be super helpful because I've got a bunch more cymbals to do. All right, so I'm going to do my center punch. Then I'm going to use a cymbal stand, a mic stand, courtesy of Jesse Parton, one of the best fans of my channel. All right, we now have the center punch. And I'm going to use my ball peen hammer. Hey, that actually sounds like a bell. Pretty ringy. We're gonna have to, I like this as the ride. This is the goal, that this would be the ride cymbal. Now let's try it with a stick that I'll probably end up using. That's pretty loud. I kind of like it. All right, so I actually think this thing sounds pretty good. I don't know, what do you guys think? Should I try to cut out the rest of these things? Write it down in the comments if you have any other suggestions. I'd love to hear it. Hey, but other than that, thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell because I want you to be able to see this progress And I want to hear your suggestions. So hopefully it won't take that much longer. Everybody stay safe and healthy out there during this crazy time. I hope I can bring you some joy. Have a great day. We'll see you on the next Mini Drum Monday.